Most people believe creatine is the key to rebuilding muscle. But the truth is, after the age of 60, your body no longer responds to creatine the same way it once did. Your muscles have fewer receptors, your digestion slows down, and the energy conversion process weakens. That is why so many seniors take expensive powders, yet never see results. But here is the good news. Nature already designed 2 simple vitamins that work far better than creatine for older adults. Taken before breakfast, they help rebuild lean muscle, increase strength, and restore energy. All within days. Before we reveal them, let us understand why your body struggles to hold muscle after 60. As you age, your body begins to lose something called muscle protein synthesis. That means every bite of food you eat produces less usable protein for your muscles. Your metabolism slows, your recovery time increases, and tiny tears in your muscles take longer to heal. This process is called sarcopenia, and if ignored, it can make your body weaker every year. But science has shown that a few natural nutrients can switch this decline into repair mode again. The first one may already be sitting in your kitchen. Most people think vitamin C is only for immunity, but for seniors. It is one of the most powerful muscle repair agents ever discovered. Vitamin C is essential for building collagen, which forms the framework of your muscles, joints, and connective tissues. It also protects your muscle cells from oxidative stress, the hidden reason many older adults feel weak even with proper diet and exercise. A major study that followed over 13,000 older adults found that those with higher vitamin C levels had significantly stronger muscle mass. The best time to take it is in the morning before breakfast, when absorption is highest. You can get it naturally from citrus fruits, guava, kiwi, and bell peppers, or as a pure supplement if your doctor recommends it. Take this small step daily, and you will notice better movement, faster recovery, and stronger grip within weeks. But vitamin C works even better when combined with the next nutrient. The second vitamin is not one most people think of for muscle growth. Probiotics are friendly bacteria that repair your gut lining, and your gut is where muscle recovery truly begins. If your digestion is weak, your body cannot absorb protein, amino acids, or even vitamin C effectively. That is why probiotics can turn an average diet into a muscle-building plan. Clinical research shows that certain probiotic strains increase amino acid absorption by up to 40%. That means more of your food goes directly into rebuilding muscle tissue. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and fermented foods are excellent natural sources. You can also use a quality probiotic capsule before breakfast for consistent results. When vitamin C and probiotics work together, they act like a 2-step switch. First repairing your muscle cells, then powering up their fuel system. To truly feel the difference, there are 3 common foods you must limit. First, soy milk. It may sound healthy, but it contains compounds that interfere with muscle hormones. Second, energy drinks. They dehydrate your muscles and block vitamin C absorption. Third, white bread and pastries. They raise blood sugar, trigger inflammation, and slow muscle repair. Avoiding these while adding the 2 vitamins will make your progress visible and lasting. Remember, rebuilding muscle after 60 is not about lifting heavy or living in the gym. It is about supporting your body from the inside. When you start your morning with vitamin C and probiotics, you give your body exactly what it has been missing: more energy, better strength, and a return of the confidence you thought was lost. So tomorrow morning, before breakfast, give these 2 vitamins a try. Your muscles will thank you every single day.